Morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sifawu, and today we're going to be creating a digital product together that you can either use for your social media platform or you can decide to sell this as a digital product on any of the online stores. So today we're going to be using just two tools, free version, which is Canva and ChatGPT. So let's dive in. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to Canva. So for you to create a product on Canva, you need to understand what type of product do you want to create. What is your niche that you want to create a product for? That's way it helps you to be able to know what you actually want to do on Canva. So today we're going to be creating some social media flyers, and you will see how easy it is to create. Now this is Canva. I've already logged into my Canva. If you do not have Canva, you need to download it from either the Play Store if you're using Android, or your Apple Store if you're using an iPhone or a laptop. You can do this on your phone as well, not just laptop. So once you create your account, you log in, the first thing you need to do is to come to this button that says create. When you click on create, it asks you, what do you want to create today? So today we want to create some Instagram posts that we can put on our online store, or we can decide to use it for our own social media. So today I'm going to search for Instagram posts. And the reason I'm searching for this is because on Canva, it already has a size, right? So I don't need to start cracking my brain for what size is an Instagram post. For this, you can use it for your YouTube short, you can use it for your Instagram post, and you can use it for your TikTok, any short form video. So we're creating the Instagram post. So I'm going to be selecting this. Now it comes to a new page. For this, you can see it just gives me a plain canvas. If you want to use it for yourself, you can decide to use the template that is already inbuilt in Canva, but I like to design mine myself. So I'm going to come to style, where you have that's from design, use a template, use a style. I'm going to click on style. And what I'm trying to do from style is to look for the colors I want and the font I want. So the next thing I'm going to scroll down a bit, and I'm going to come to this part that says combination. Where it says combination, it means it has colors, palette, and it also has the text, right? So I'm going to look for colors I think I would love to use today. Let me just search through. Maybe I should do something like this. Okay. Let me do this. So you can see once you click on that color, it brings you to a new page, and it tells you heading, subheading, body. So it already gives you the fonts. And if you click on these fonts, you can actually make changes here. If you want to change the size, you want to change the way it looks, you can do that. But for what I want to create today, I want to create social media templates, and I just need an heading and the body. So I'm going to take off this. I don't need this. Just click on it and click on delete. This place that says body, I'm going to drag it down a bit. And what I want to put here is your social media handle, because I'm going to be selling this on my digital store at your social media. And so why I'm doing that is because I want my buyers to be able to change it to their own, to be able to customize it to their own. This heading, I'm going to reduce the size a bit. Maybe I'm going to bring it to maybe like 80 or 90. So this, I have one now. I want to make multiple colors so that it looks beautiful. The person is not just posting just one color. So what do? I'm going to click on duplicate page. This place that says duplicate page, I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to go and change this color. So I'm changing the color to another color. No, I don't want this. Okay, I think I like this. Yes. And I'm going to click on duplicate page again. I'm going to go back to design, style, and I'm going to change this color. So I want a different color. Once you click on the color, it keeps changing. Oh, okay. So should I make it 4 different colors? I think I'll do that. So I'll just click on duplicate page again. I want to put one more color to this. I'm going back to design, and I just keep clicking on that color, and it keeps changing for me. So yes, I think I'll do this. So let me see how it will look like. If you want to see how it will look like, just come to this place that says grid view, and you can see it. Wow. So this is what it would look like. So I click close grid view, and now it's time to work. Now that I have my design, the next thing I want to do is I want to go to ChatGPT, right? On ChatGPT, I'm going to put the prompt I want to use. Today, I'm going to be creating 100 affirmation words. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, very simple quote. Can you write 100 affirmation words for me? I will be using make it simple and short sentence each. I like to put relatable, so make it simple, relatable, and short sentence each. In 4 different colors. Because I have 4 colors and I have 100 words, so I want it to give me 25 per column. So I have just 4, so I can just move it into it. So now ChatGPT is analyzing and it's going to bring in our words, right? So let's wait. You can see it gives me this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on download and it downloads into this. You can see. So let me see, just open it and see what it looks like. You can see, so it's already giving me in 4 columns, right? This is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look through and see if there are some that may be very long, but that's fine. So the next thing I want to do is I want to go back to Canva, that's our design, and I need to import those words to this design, right? And you're going to see how it's going to be done in just a click. So the next thing I want to do is I want to come to apps. So I'm going to come here, and where it says apps, you're going to search for Bulk Create. Bulk is spelled B-U-L-K, Create, C-R-E-A-T-E. Now, I already have it, so if I search, it's not going to pop up. So I'm just going to click on Bulk Create. So once you've searched for it and it's here, the next thing you want to click in, you have 2 options. You can either decide to upload manually or you can decide to upload your data. So I'm going to click Upload Data. And once I click on Upload Data, it's going to ask me, where do you want me to upload this data for? So I'm going to click on my download. That's where I have it. And I'm going to click on that and click on Open. Now, you can see it's already uploaded the data. So the next thing I need to do is to link this data to these social media templates. Now, for me to do that, you come to your templates and you click on your text. So once you click on your text, once you click on the text, which is this heading now, you can see it says connect data. That's because it already understands we're using Bulk Create. This Bulk Create is for premium. That means you must be a pro version of Canva. You must be a paid version of Canva to have this option available to you. So you can either click on connect data from here, or you can come to this 3-dotted line where it says more and click on it, and you're going to see connect data as well. So it's asking, what data do you want to connect? So I want to connect this first page to this first affirmation. Then I'm going to go to the next page. I'm going to click on the text as well. I'm going to click on connect data. Same question, what data do you want to connect? I'm connecting the second column to that. And for the 3rd page, I'm going to click on it. And it says, what data do you want to connect? I'm connecting the 3rd page. And the 4th page, which is the final page, I'm going to connect data as well. I'm going to connect the 4th affirmation. Now, once I'm done, the next thing you want to do is to go to the advanced option. Click on advanced option, and I want to be sure it's on multiple pages in one design. Once I have this, I'm going to click on continue. And it asks, do you want to generate your 25 design? I'll say yes, please generate it. And you can see it's already generated. It says view in folder. So I'm going to click on that and you'll see it's already coming up. So I have my 100 affirmation generated in less than 3 minutes. So if you click on this, this is what it's going to look like, right? So let's look at it in the grid view. No, not that. So you can see how beautiful it is. So this is what I am going to be selling on my online platform. And you can create this. You can see I created this in less than 3 minutes. in my teaching video, my video is about 10 minutes long now, and this is a teaching video. So you can imagine if I'm creating without teaching, you can imagine how fast it can be. And you can sell this on your social media platform, or you can even decide to use it on your own social media platform as well. So now for you to download it, you're going to come to this share button and you're going to click on download if you're going to be using it for your social media. Now, if you're going to be selling it on your digital store, we're going to be selling the template link. And for you to sell the template link, you're going to come to this three-dotted button where it says more. You're going to click on it and you're going to see template link. You need to be a paid version of Canva as well to be able to use the template link. So you're going to click on that and you're going to see generate template link. Once you click on create template link, this is the link. You can just copy this and let's copy it and see. It says copied. Let's see what it looks like, right? So if I put this on my social media, this is what the file, this is the link that the buyer is going to get. And they're going to get this on their portal. It's going to just give them view templates. Option for edit would not be there. It's just view templates. And they can click on this view templates and it takes them straight into Canva, open an editor, and they're going to be able to see the templates, right? So they can decide. Remember, I said I need them to be able to make changes to this, right? Now, once you're done, the next thing, if you want to make it more fancy, I like to do that. I'll just do a thank you card. And what I do is I come back to my Canva and I click on create and I search for thank you card. Thank you poster. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to be inserting that template link into this poster, right? So, and I'm going to use something that is already existing on the system. So I'm coming to my design and I'm going to look for something that looks a bit good. I can just use this. Thank you for your purchases. No, I don't really like this. Okay. Just use this and one page. Yeah. Thank you for your purchase. I'm going to reduce this font size. I want to duplicate this because I want to be able to put the link. So before I duplicate that, let me just delete these and these, and I'm going to put click here for to reduce that as well. But I'm going to make, I can make it bold. So I'm going to now, for me to add the link that I copied, you're going to come to this part and you're going to see links. So I'm going to click on links and I want to put the link I copied, which is the template link I copied initially. So I'm going to click on done and I'm going to click on done. So you can see once they click on this, it will definitely do what? It will definitely show them the link. And this is what I'm going to download this as a PDF file and I'm going to sell it on my digital store. So would you like to learn how you can create Canva? I have a course in which I affiliate with, and the course is called Canva to Cash. In Canva to Cash, you get 2 live sessions with coaches every month. You get to join our Telegram group where you can ask questions. We don't just leave you hanging. We have a Facebook community as well. And this is what you will be learning. You have digital products. If you don't even know your niche, you can definitely come to this program. We help you teach you how to profitable niche. We have here getting started with Canva, then how you can do your pricing, how you can sell on all the online stores, how you can create your store, you can begin to sell there. If you want to learn how to market, it's also there. If you want to do faceless content creation so that you're able to make money, it's there. Then we have the PLR vault. The PLR vault is already made products for you that you can decide to begin to use in your own. Additionally, we teach you how to do Amazon KDP. We do print on demand. These are all ads on that you can do through Canva as well. You can create ebook on Canva and put it on Amazon KDP. Then we have the Mid-Journey Magic. That is where you create realistic pictures. Then you have the new Canva features. Then we have cash. You can also affiliate this program where you get 70% of the commission. So for every sales you make, you get 70% of the commission paid to you. So to get this program, you can go to the link in my bio. You're going to see Canva to Cash, and it's currently selling at $279. It's currently selling at $297. We're currently on the sales, right? We're currently on a sales period. And if you want to get a discount on this, it's going to be, you can use the word START, like START, for you to be able to get 100% discount of this price. Do you think you got value from this video? If you got value from this video, let's look at the project we created again. If you got value from this video, make sure you like, you share it with family and friends. And if you want to join the family as well, so that you can start making things on Canva. There are a lot of things you can make on Canva. You can design ebooks, you can do coloring books. I'm going to be doing a video on coloring books. Make sure you follow so that and hit the notification button so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. You're going to be doing, I'll do the print on demand video very soon. You can also join the family so that you can start making money. These are all digital products. You don't need to have a store for you to be able to sell it. And I hope you got value from this video. Leave a comment. If you have any question, you can send me a DM or you can leave it in the comment and I will do well to answer you. Till I come your way next time. Peace out.